Hi, I'm Carrie L. Smith, Quality Systems Specialist with the Nurse Aid Testing Project at Southern Illinois University, Carbondale. This is the first lesson in a series of interactive videos that have been designed to help you improve the quality of instruction at your training program. Lesson number 1 is titled Writing Better Test Items. We will begin with an introduction to Bloom's Taxonomy, a tool that will help you target specific levels of learning in your students. We will then take a look at test blueprints, a means of strategically designing assessment tools. Finally, we will see how learning objectives and test questions are constructed in accordance with Bloom's taxonomy and the test blueprint. After this lesson, you will be able to demonstrate your understanding of Bloom's taxonomy, construct an exam blueprint, and write learning objectives for each of 6 learning levels. Are you ready? Let's begin. Bloom's taxonomy, often depicted as a pyramid, illustrates that learning takes place at 6 different levels of complexity. The simplest and most concrete forms of learning are located at the lower levels, while the most complex and abstract forms of learning can be found at the top. The 6 levels include knowledge, recognizing or recalling previously learned information; comprehension, constructing meaning from the information learned; application, using information to solve problems in new and unfamiliar situations; analysis, breaking a problem into parts and finding relationships between those parts; synthesis, combining prior knowledge and skills to form new ideas or concepts; and evaluation, judging, defending, or deciding something according to a set of criteria without clear right or wrong answers. Each level of Bloom's taxonomy builds upon the ones below it. For instance, if a learner demonstrates understanding at the analysis level, it can be assumed that the learner can also demonstrate knowledge, comprehension, and application level understanding of the content. Here is a table containing a list of action verbs for each level of Bloom's taxonomy. Each level of Bloom's pyramid has a corresponding set of action verbs you can reference as you begin to write learning objectives as well as test questions. When learning objectives and test questions are aligned using Bloom's taxonomy, we can accurately assess whether learners have understood the content presented.